Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that euro dollar currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that euro dollar after this monthly rejection from this important level of resistance had a strong drop. Now with that drop, currently euro dollar approaching a very important level. As you can see, the price recently has broken this previous monthly low, which expected the price below this support level. As there is an imbalance in that zone, we could see euro dollar even coming back to this previous monthly support level, which is also an important zone. And in that zone we see there is a void in that area. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, the price action showing also significant bearish momentum. We saw there was a weekly impulse here on euro dollar, created this movement, which in fact has come to an important liquidity zone. And from that zone, euro dollar has a rejection. Previous week, we saw there was a middleman formation on euro dollar. Now with that middleman formation, the price currently dropping down. Now with the drop, what we can expect euro dollar to come down at least to this liquidity zone where there are back to back two dodges. This is the previous liquidity zone and turning here as a support, and we can expect euro dollar come down and to test this level. Now if we look at the daily time frame on euro dollar, we see that from the daily perspective, the price maintaining typical downtrending market structure. We saw from the daily, this is an impulse on the daily, correction, impulse, correction. The price was creating series of higher high and higher low. Now with that higher high and higher low, euro dollar has formed a consolidation pattern for long time, and then the price has dropped down, correction, dropping down, correction. So every time the price is creating series of lower high and lower low. Now at this point, we see this is the daily candle after this previous day's pin bar. The price in fact dropped so far, and this is an important daily level of support which down resistance here on the lower time frame. We can see that again the price is forming bearish price action, and at the same time we see the price just has come to another important daily level of support. Where's the price in that support? What I think that the price might go up for a deeper pullback, and as the price in an this is a very crucial support. We saw that from that zone there was move started. I think that with that movement, euro dollar might come to this dotted line here, which is the daily long week candle, which is an imbalance in that zone. As you can see, there is a seller and seller. The buyer has not tested this level, and I think that probably even during the news, so you could see euro dollar a pullback to the upside, and then we can expect another drop. Now from the lower time frame perspective, from intraday, we can see that this market is forming typical downtrend. We saw this is the weekly opening here. Multiple times the big boys gather liquidity in that zone, has dropped, corrected to the previous neckline of this previous support, down resistance here, and along with this 20 EMA, we see that euro dollar has in fact significant rejection towards the downside. Now at this point, what we see that euro dollar with that rejection, the price now again creating series of lower high and lower low, and we see in this intraday perspective, this is the previous support level completely broken. What I think that as there's an imbalance in that zone, the price might reach up today later, going above and grabbing liquidity from here, feeling that imbalance, and then we could see again euro dollar coming back down. This is the zone that we will be waiting for a pullback to the upside. If we see euro dollar has gone up, grab liquidity above this doji and form another bearish price action, we'll consider going short on euro dollar with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.